Good job. What do you have, Ellie? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. You want to put them back? Thank you. Good job. Thank you. What a big helper. Good job. Mama help you? Mama help. Thank you. Thank you. You go get the other one?